Introducing the ultimate shaving device, the incredible wet-dry shaver from Panasonic. Its powerful linear motor drives 5 ultra-sharp nanotech blades at 14,000 cycles per minute to plow through the toughest facial hair with power to spare. Precision lift tech and finishing foils combine with an advanced slit blade to effectively cut even flat-lying hairs cleanly near the base, while helping to protect your skin from irritation. Its floating head and slightly arched blades keep the foil in close contact with your skin to enable fast, effective shaving that's gentle even for sensitive skin. And its exclusive shaving sensor technology automatically senses and adjusts to the density of your facial hair, speeding up and using a wider path when it encounters thicker stubble, and slowing down and using a more narrow path where your facial hair is lighter and thinner. The result is an incredibly close, comfortable shave that's gentle on your skin. Shaving technology has finally evolved to meet your exacting standards. With the Arc 5,
the world's only 5-action alcohol-based clean and charge station. Full maintenance at the touch of a button. The intelligent clean and charge station charges for maximum battery power at all times. It automatically selects the cleaning program for optimal fluid consumption. The fluid stream removes hair stubble while the alcohol removes 99.999% of germs. Special lubricating agents leave the cutting parts in optimal condition. And lastly, a built-in fan for extra fast drying of your shaver head. So your shaver feels like new every day. change the cutting system cassette every 18 months or sooner. And I replace the cleaning center refill about once a month to maintain 100% of my shaver's performance.